guys! I'm a fan of DIYs and I love to create my own work of art through exploring and discovering more of what I know. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own bookmarks. This is very easy to do, so let's start. So, I've used watercolor paper that is Fabriano brand and I got it in 4 centimeter by 17 centimeter, and then Stabilo pen 68 pens, Tombow Fudinowski, and Jelly Roll pens. So I have 6 designs in mind that I will be showing you. So the first one, this is just an abstract using the blue, purple, and um, the pink colors from Stabilo pen 68. Then I will top it with jelly roll glaze that is the color gold, and you can create your own, just explore with other shapes and colors, and then leave a space at the center for whatever quote that you wanted to write on. Maybe about reading or a Bible verse or something that will encourage you. It's up to you. Okay, so this is the first design that I have in mind. So I finished both the designs, top and the bottom. Now I will top it with a jelly roll glaze gold. See that shine, it's really pretty. So for the second one, this is the same with what I did, or the one I posted for the first DIY bookmarks I did last year or early this year. So this is the different color of leaves, and then I will use my jelly roll white pen later for the details. So in creating your own bookmark, or the design of your own bookmark, you can create or design it on top and the bottom of the bookmark, or you can just draw at the bottom and create a hole at the top. It depends on you. So for the third one, if you have watched my previous video, I have mentioned that this Stabilo pen 68 can be used as a watercolor. So of course you can only do it in a watercolor paper. So I have used the colors yellow, orange, the peach one, and pink, and combined them to create an ombre style of background. So Isn't it pretty? You should have your own Stablo Pen 68. So this one is very easy to do. Yeah, that's it. So the fourth one, this is one of my favorite part. I will be doing a uh, galaxy theme bookmark. So just combine the violet, the pink, blue, and green, and then add some yellow to it. Then use your brush to combine all the colors. Believe me, you will really love what uh, what will be the finished product of this one. And then at the bottom, I will use my black Stabilo Pen 68 to create a shadow type of a mountain, and then we'll draw a tree using my Unipen, Micron, Sakura, and then my Unipen that is color gray that I bought yesterday. So pretty. Oh, look at that gray one. I love it. And then to put the details of the stars, just use my Jelly Roll white pen and then my glaze. Yeah, that's it. Isn't it pretty? So we already have 4 designs. Now let's proceed to the 5th one. So this one I wanted to make a blossom type of design. So I use my Stablo Pen 68 to create a flower. There you can actually create a beautiful flower using just creating just dots or lines using your Stablo Pen 68, and just use your water brush to create the petals. And then for the leaves, I use the green, pastel green, that I think I don't have to use my watercolor brush for the leaves, because it's already pretty. And then this is just a very simple design. I just filled my bookmark with the violet color, and then I will spread it using my brush. Then for the code, I will use my Jelly Roll white pen to write the code later. So I told you it's so easy to do your own bookmarks. So we already finished the 6 designs, and now it's time to put the code that I have picked from Pinterest and other quotes from Christian authors. So this one, the noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. So I was hesitant because the space is not enough. And then here, be the change that you wanted to see. It's just a very simple design. Then here, from Christian Bose, anything worthwhile requires work. It's true, right? And then here, I wanted to create hot air balloons and some clouds. And then the quote that I will put here is, remember why you started. So I really suggest and encourage you that if you will create your own bookmark, it is best that the quote that you will put there will somehow encourage you or make you realize something and will help you make a better person. So for this design, I have drawn a flower illustration and put the quote "bloom with grace." So for the last one, this one of my favorite lines from Charles Spurgeon that says, "The seasons change and you change, but the Lord abides evermore the same, and the streams of his love are as deep, as broad, and as full as ever." Meaning there may be many seasons in your life, but the Lord remains faithful. He never changes. So we are finished with all the 6 designs that you can also follow, and I hope that you love it, that I hope that you are inspired to also do your own bookmarks. Thank you so much.